Hello Pink Angels and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be all about my top style tips. I'm obsessed with fashion and I wanted to share with you guys some of my top tips for being stylish and being as fabulous as you can be, and basically just living your best fabulous life. So if you haven't already, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can click my face right there in the corner or that subscribe button just down below, and there's also a bit at the end where you can click my face and subscribe there. So please do make sure to subscribe to my channel. It means so much to me and I thank everyone who's already subscribed. You guys are all so amazing and I love you so much. And I welcome all of my new subscribers to my Pink Angel family. My name is Amy and I post lots of pretty pink fashion, beauty and lifestyle content. And also on Instagram I am at Aloha Amy _. There's always lots of pretty pink content on there, and please do make sure to follow me if you want to keep up with my pink life. So now that I've said all of that, I'm going to go ahead and get on with the video and tell you all of my top style tips. So my first tip is to find out what clothes suit you. Try on different things and establish what you really love. So for me, I love high-waisted things, high-waisted skirts, high-waisted jeans. I'm all about that high-waisted life. I can't deal with low-rise. We're not going to be having any of that over here, but if that suits you, then go for it. But for me, high-waisted is the way to go. I think it looks really elegant, it makes your waist look smaller, and so when I'm styling an outfit, I will always go for a high-waisted skirt or jeans or trousers and some sort of top, and I found that really suits me, and I recommend that you guys find what suits you in that way, and also finding what kind of tops suit you. So I love off the shoulder, I really like that, and I just really like that style. And I also really like mini skirts. I'm definitely a mini skirt kind of gal. I do occasionally wear a maxi skirt, but midi is just not for me. But if it's for you, then go for it. It's important to find out your style, try on different skirts, different jeans, different tops. Find out what really suits you, what makes you feel fabulous and you feel great, and stick with that. On the topic of jeans, it's also really important to just find good jeans that you trust and love. And I've found that quiz jeans are amazing. I bought one pair, you'll have seen them before in my videos. They have white lacy crochet pattern on them. They're beautiful and I found that they fitted me perfectly, so I buy all of my jeans from there and they fit perfectly. So finding a good pair of jeans that fits is key, and once you find a good brand that does the exact same style, stick to that. And I always go for skinny jeans. So again, for finding what suits you, try out different styles of jeans and see what suits you best. So my next advice is that it's okay to mix up your style. I sometimes go for kind of Clueless vibes, I guess, like Clueless, Blair Waldorf, preppy, schoolgirl kind of style, kind of like what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing a top, little crop top with a high-waisted checked skirt. It's quite schoolgirl vibes and I really like that style, especially in the autumn winter time. I really like to wear little mini skirts, kilts and cute little tops, and pairing that with like ankle boots or over the knee boots, and that is very preppy and schoolgirl and quite cute. But I also really like to be a lot more girly sometimes. Obviously that's a girly look, but sometimes I will wear like a really cute little pink mini dress with sparkly heels, something like that. It's super girly and feminine, and I like to go for that sometimes. But then at other times I like to be a little bit more edgy, and when I say edgy I mean I like to wear like a leather jacket or a denim jacket and pair that with like a mini dress and some trainers. I mean, I'm not really super edgy because my denim jacket and my leather jacket are still pink, as are my trainers, but it's edgy for me and sometimes I like to go for that. So depending on the day, I do mix up my style. If you like to wear the exact same like very feminine clothing every day, or if you like to be more edgy, if that is your style, then go for it. But my advice is that it's totally fine to mix it up and wear whatever you want. I like to just switch it up with whatever I'm feeling, and I really like to do that. So One of my most important points is to accessorize. Accessorizing can transform an outfit. You can be wearing a plain little black dress and accessorise it with amazing heels, a bag, hair accessories and jewellery, and completely transform this plain simple outfit into something really fabulous. I think that adding some sort of jewellery to your look every single day is really important. I always have like go-to jewellery that I know always matches, so I always wear my Thomas Sabo bracelet, and then this little bracelet here, which I'm still not sure where it's from, it was a gift. And then I have these necklaces on from Swarovski. I switch up my necklaces a lot. Swarovski rings, and I always know that they're beautiful. And earring wise, I really like to wear hoops on a daily basis. They don't get caught in anything. I don't find that they annoy me, and I just really like this pair of hoops. I have a gold pair and a silver pair, and these are from New Look, and they only cost I think about £1, £2 maybe, and they're amazing. They just match everything. Even if I wear absolutely no other jewellery, I always try and throw in some hoops or some studs, and that just makes my look a little bit more glam and a little bit more put together. I also absolutely love that hair accessories are back in, so I have been picking up lots of really cute ones. I have this hairband from New Look that's so pretty and sparkly. I got these ribbons from Victoria's Secret. I have a black one as well, and these are just really pretty to add into, like, if I'm wearing my hair in a bun, I just pop this in sometimes. I have a fluffy scrunchie because why not? I just saw this in Claire's Accessories and thought this is made for children, but I need a fluffy scrunchie in my life. And then I also got this beautiful scrunchie at the beginning of summer. It's got a gorgeous bow in it, and it's from Sainsbury's children's section. I've worn this so much, it's so cute. And I highly recommend, if you're looking for cute hair accessories, check out the kids departments because they make really pretty pink ones, and a lot of the time you don't get pink hair accessories in the adult section. I don't know why, because like I've said many times before, why can't adults wear pink? They need to sell more pink in the shops. So check out the kids section, definitely. I think that adding a hair accessory or jewellery or a handbag or shoes makes an outfit look amazing. And onto the topic of shoes, my next tip is to wear amazing shoes. Be bold if you want to. I have some pretty crazy shoes and I love it. I really like to just accessorise outfits with fabulous shoes and be known as the girl with the amazing shoes. I love when I go to a party and everyone is looking at my shoes because shoes are my favourite. I spend a lot of money on shoes and I want people to notice them. So my advice to you is that if you want to wear crazy shoes, high heels, go for it. I always wear the highest heels because I love it, and you know what, I can actually walk a really good distance in them. I'm quite an expert in walking in heels and I've become quite the pro, so I really recommend wearing crazy shoes. I will show you some of my beautiful shoes. I mean, look at these, like how fabulous are these shoes? These are so cool, and yeah, I would just say accessorise, be bold, wear funky shoes, wear fabulous shoes, and be amazing. Live your best life in fabulous shoes, because even if your shoes are uncomfortable, it doesn't matter. Beauty is pain, I say. If they're beautiful, there's no such thing as uncomfortable shoes. Another huge fashion and style tip I can give to you guys is to look through your wardrobe and piece together some outfits that might work together, try them on, take some pictures, send them to your friends, or have a fashion show for your family and friends. Just test out different looks. If you're not really sure how to piece an outfit together, try your best and just try out different looks, try different things on and see how you feel in them. And it's beneficial to have like go-to outfits that you can just reach for if you're not sure what to wear one day or you're in a rush. It's just really good to know that those jeans look really good with that top and that pair of shoes, and it's just easy and you can just reach for that outfit and head out the door looking fabulous. And my final tip, and this one I guess you don't have to do, but for me this is really important, and that is to find your signature colour. So can you guess what mine is? Obviously I like pink. I just like it, it's just okay. When I wear pink, I feel amazing. I feel fabulous and beautiful, and it makes me so confident and ready to take on the day wearing my fabulous pink outfit. If I'm not wearing pink, I feel weird. When I go to work, I have to wear black, and that really just makes me feel very uneasy. I do not feel like myself, so I always accessorise with like pink hair accessories because that's the only way I can channel my pink need every single day when I go to work. But yeah, I would say that finding your signature colour, maybe yours is red or blue or green, whatever colour you absolutely love, make sure that you have some pieces in your wardrobe that are that colour and that make you feel fabulous. I obviously love pink and I am pretty obsessed with it, and maybe I'm a bit over the top for some people having like basically everything pink, but you know what? It makes me happy, and if it makes you happy too, and I know that there's a lot of you guys watching that do love pink, because you wouldn't be one of the pink angels if you didn't like pink. So what I have to say to you is, if you're a bit scared to wear your full pink outfit, your pink bag, your pink shoes, everything, all I have to say to you, go for it. If you feel like Elle Woods or Sharpay, then that is amazing. Channel your best pink self and live your best life. I think it's so important to just wear what you want, wear what makes you happy and comfortable and feel fabulous, and that is how I feel when I wear pink, and I know that that's the same for a lot of you guys. Let's all just go ahead and wear our pink outfits, walk around the streets being bold and beautiful, and make somebody's day by being bright and happy and pink. So that is everything for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed some of my style advice and how to live your best pink life, I guess. And I really hope that that helped you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. It means so much to me. It's free and it's easy, and it just means the world to me that I have so many of you guys. You're everything to me, and I would just like to say thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!